Stew peas, veggie chunks. Let's go. That's what we're cooking today. This is it simple. Coconut milk, red peas, veggie chunk or soy chunk. You're gonna soak the peas, you're gonna soak the soy chunk. Let's get it. Alright guys, pouring warm water on my veggie chunks. Alright, that's hydrated vegetable. Alright, so we're gonna let that soak for probably about 40 minutes. It's finished cooking. I'm taking out the time out of it. I have my pot heated. I'm gonna put some coconut milk in this. These are my hydrated veggie chunks. I'm gonna put some adobo in, some seasoned to the bone, all-purpose. As you guys can see, all-purpose. Put whatever seasoning you want. All right. So I'm gonna put some oil to this, some seasoning, because they're tasteless. You gotta season them before you actually cook them. All right. So stay tuned. You're checking, guys. I'm pre-cooking my veggie chunks is seasoned up. I got carrots, onions, thyme, garlic, and sweet pepper in this, and in this also. So I'm gonna put this in this. All right. I have my flour, dough, and I also have my coconut milk ready. So as soon as this start boiling up, I'll put my dumpling in and let this cook just a little bit. Then I'll put this in, veggie chunks, and I'll put my coconut milk and let it simmer, and also put the rest of my seasoning in. Alright? Stay tuned. I got my dumpling in there. Wow, that's the right consistency. That's exactly where I want it. Alright, let's check in on my veggie chunks. Beautiful. Guys, don't forget you have to season these, alright? And put the rest of the seasoning in that. And I'm gonna put my veggie chunks in here. And then once it starts boiling up, I had my coconut milk and let it simmer, baby. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, I'm putting the final touch in there now. Coconut milk, baby. That's the star of the show right there. So all the seasoning inside already, so wow, smell really good. Everything is in here, guys. So because the veggie chunk, it's not hard to cook because there was partially cooked already, halfway cooked. So another 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes. Once the liquid reduce, it's all good to go. All right, so stay tuned. Yeah, guys, let's check this pot now and see what's going on. Wow, this is a bossy pot, man. So here we go, guys. Tell me how bossy this look. Look just like meat, guys. Can't tell me it don't look like meat. Absolutely look like meat. Going with some white rice. Alright. Yeah, guys. Let's do a taste test. Wow. Guys, no lie, it's absolutely delicious. Tastes just like meat. especially when you saute it with the coconut oil. Instead of using regular oil to saute it, you use this organic. Man, what a flavor! Oh my god. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm gonna eat now, so catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, deuces.